Viene bien. Va a aterrizar. Sí, señor.
Welcome aboard. You're about to witness the skies like never before epic flyovers, daring rescues, near misses, and heart-stopping moments caught on camera. Buckle up, this is aviation like you've never seen it. Let's take off.
Viene bien. Viene bien. Va a aterrizar. Sí, señor.
The C-130 suffers landing gear failure and skids across the snowy Antarctic runway. Snow clouds the scene as it grinds to a halt. The giant Antonov 225 roars low over a crowd of spectators. Kids cheer from atop a car, stunned by its size. A calm flight turns urgent as the glider drops toward a rough field. They hit hard, rattled but alive.
Putain.
Wow.
Je sais pas là-haut. Et le flic là, non?
Il y en a qu'un ciel.
What?
Incroyable.
As planes dump water on French wildfires, passing cars are suddenly soaked. It's an unexpected downpour from above.
Il y a les pompiers en dessous aussi.
A little girl chats with her dad when strange noises come from the engine. Through the window, sparks flicker something's not right. A plane's engine cover is torn off, exposing the shaking core, but the engine stubbornly keeps spinning. Jets glide out of hangars in perfect sync, like a mechanical ballet. Germany's sky becomes a stage of precision and power. A calm takeoff turns into a nightmare as the AW169 loses control. It spins violently, breaking its rotors, but miraculously, no one is hurt. Attempting a landing on the icy Courchevel Strip, a small aircraft hits a mound of snow. It disappears into a blanket of white. Just before touchdown, a car speeds onto the runway. The pilot swerves at the last second, narrowly avoiding disaster. Cyclone winds batter the aircraft as it nears Chennai. With no safe way in, the plane is forced to divert. Lifting off from a hospital, a chopper begins to spin uncontrollably. It crashes off the edge in a terrifying drop. Touchdown, then take off again. This F111 lights up the afterburners on the runway. A trail of fire follows as it rockets back into the sky. With a roar like no other, the Augusta Bell 212 sweeps in. Its signature engine howl announces its arrival before wheels touch down. An F-18 pilot loses control and ejects moments before the jet slams into the ground. A fiery explosion turns the sky into a flash of chaos. With surgical precision, the Comov KA-32 hoists a giant power pole. It's not just lifting, it's dancing in the air.
Uitlasten. Wenken. Standvrij. Borsten neer.
The Beria B-200 slides from shore into the sea, picking up speed. Seconds later, it lifts off in a graceful arc. A plane revs its engines before takeoff at St. Martin. The blast hurls beachgoers and belongings into the sea. Wild cross winds batter a landing aircraft at Madeira. After swaying violently, it manages to touch down safely. One of the world's riskiest landings, Courchevel runway demands perfection. The aircraft fights gravity to stay on course. Another jet challenges Madeira's turbulent air on final approach. Every second is a struggle against the wind. The CH-53K hovers into the show arena, massive and commanding. Crowds watch in as it gently lands. The sky crane scoops water midair and dives toward a raging forest fire. The falling stream sparkles as it cuts through smoke and chaos. In India, the AW119 loses balance midair and spins out of control. It slams down violently, leaving silence behind.